Welcome to our cooking channel. Today, we're making a mouth-watering dish that combines the goodness of quinoa and avocado salad with a perfectly seasoned chicken breast. Get ready to enjoy a nutritious and delicious meal that's easy to prepare and packed with flavor. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine 85-gram 1/4 cup honey, 15 milliliters 1 tablespoon, apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, 30 milliliters to tablespoons, olive oil, 60 grams 1/4 cup, Dijon mustard, salt to taste, about 2 to 3 grams, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon minced fresh garlic or garlic powder, 1 teaspoon oregano. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes for extra heat, optional. Place 2 large chicken breasts, about 500 to 600 grams in total, in an oven-safe dish. Pour sauce over them. For extra flavor, pierce the chicken with a fork before baking to let the sauce infuse. Friends, where are you watching my video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until internal temperature reaches 70 for C. Chicken is ready. For avocado salad, thinly slice a half red onion. Cut 6 or 7 grape tomatoes in half. Chop the cilantro. Chop a half jalapeno. In a bowl, combine them with slice and cut of 1 avocado, black pepper and salt to taste. Squeeze a half of 1 lemon. Mix well. Spoon 1 cup of cooked quinoa onto your plate, spreading it gently to form a base. Place the cooked honey mustard chicken directly over the quinoa. Generously drizzle the warm sauce over the chicken, letting it soak into the grains below. Add a fresh avocado salad to the side for creaminess and crunch. Finish with a wedge of lemon for a bright, zesty touch. Enjoy your balanced, flavorful plate, perfect for a healthy dinner or meal prep. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. If you loved this honey mustard chicken plate, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy, tasty recipes. Drop a comment below with your favorite side dish to pair with it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching to the end.